So if your videos are not exporting over on CapCut, in this video we're gonna learn how you can fix that problem. So just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so currently I have a project open right here in my CapCut and I have this footage. So first of all you need to do is to go to your settings, and once you're in your CapCut settings, first of all set this cache memory to auto delete cache and set the time limit to the minimum days, which is 15. And then after that you have to go to performance right here and just uncheck both these boxes right here, speed up hardware encoding and decoding, and there we go. Just select save, and after that you can easily export your videos. Yeah, here I have. Alright, so just click on exporting. You can see now you will never face any kind of error during exporting. So this is basically how you can fix export error over on CapCut PC. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.